Hey, this is Marvin. This is my bike check on my Macneil BB. Starting at the front, I have S&M Grand Slam XLTs with the profile sticker on them. And then I have the profile acoustic stem and 53mm reach. And then I have Colt forks. Gotta love those. Gotta get those Colt forks. And starting my front wheel, I have an Odyssey 7KA laced to a profile hub with Thai green nipples, and I'm running a chunky FAF. As we go down the middle, I have a Macneil BB frame. I have the rug status seat, and then I cut, as you can see, I cut my frame so because I have a wedge post, so it's lower to my frame so I can get more less weight and more durability. I have the profile GDH light cranks with the tie spindle, and I also have the profile spline drive sprocket in green, and then the KHE hollow pin half link chain. Now coming through my back, I have the same exact thing, a profile 7KA Odyssey 7KA rim laced to a profile hub, and in the back I have a tie driver. And yeah, that's my bike check. You can see how it sounds right here. But yeah, that's it.